Today, let's talk about the mindset needed to run a small business, especially when it comes to hiring top talent. There's a common misconception that just because we want great people, they should just show up. But that's not how it works.
Absolutely. It all starts with understanding what kind of mass or resources your business has. If you're a small business with limited capacity, trying to bring in highly skilled people without matching the value or opportunities they expect, you're setting yourself up for failure.
Right? It's like if your business isn't capable of offering them a platform to grow, then no matter how much you want them to join, they're not going to. You can't just wish them in. You need to create the right environment for them to thrive.
Exactly. And when we talk about mass, it's about the structure and the environment you provide. People at different levels have different expectations. A PhD or someone with high-level education isn't going to settle for less than a certain growth trajectory. If that's not in place, they'll move on.
And that's the harsh truth. A lot of small businesses, especially in the early stages, think that they can just grab the best talent and everything will fall into place. But it doesn't work that way. If your business doesn't offer them something that aligns with their aspirations, they're not going to stay.
Yeah. And it's not about the salary alone either. It's about whether they see a future with you. Can they grow with the company? Are they getting the chance to apply their skills and improve? If not, they're out the door.
Exactly. I think a lot of business owners miss this point. They want people to work hard, but they aren't offering them any real opportunities to develop. When someone leaves, they assume it's because of the money, but often it's because the role or the company just didn't fit them.
That's why creating the right kind of mass, a combination of opportunities, resources, and support, is critical. People need to feel like they can contribute and grow, or they'll start looking elsewhere.
And let's not forget, the moment someone leaves, it's not necessarily their fault. It could be a sign that something isn't right on your side. If you don't make sure your business is aligned with the needs of your team, you're going to lose them.
Exactly, but there's another issue here. Small businesses often complain about the lack of skilled workers or the challenges of finding the right fit. But they don't stop to look at their own operations. Are they doing enough to make their company attractive? Are they offering the right kind of mass that those skilled people need?
I think many business owners need to realize that hiring great people isn't just about the money or the job title. It's about creating a future vision, one where the employees see potential for personal and professional growth. Without that, they're not coming.
And that's why it's important not to blame others. Small businesses often point fingers at the government, big corporations, or even their employees. But the real issue lies in how the business is being run. If you're not creating the right environment, it's on you.
True. The law of nature, so to speak, is that your business will only grow if you align your operations with the needs of the people you want to attract. If you're constantly blaming external factors, your growth will stall.
Exactly. If you want to see success, it's essential to stop blaming others and start looking inward. You need to take responsibility for the structure and direction of your business. If you're doing things right, talented people will come to you.
And that's the key to growth. Small businesses have to stop waiting for miracles to happen. They need to create the right environment, align their goals with the talents they want, and ensure everyone is on the same page for the business to move forward.
In the end, a business can only grow if it builds a strong, sustainable foundation. It's not just about hiring great talent, but making sure you're offering them the right platform to succeed. Without that, no one is going to stick around.
And that's where most small businesses fail. They focus too much on what they want and not enough on what they can offer. If they can shift their mindset and truly understand the value they can provide to their employees, growth will come naturally.
Absolutely. It's all about finding that balance and understanding that both the business and its employees need to grow together. That's the only way forward.
Great discussion. Let's wrap this up with one last thought. Don't focus too much on blaming external factors. Instead, focus on what you can do internally to create a thriving, supportive environment. That's where success starts.